Welcome to WPP Stars. I am Javier Lopez, I am the executive chef in Jumeirah Hotel, and today we'll introduce you a dish from Es Fanals restaurant, what is a foie gras sandwich that we are doing with a coca de seixa, what is typical from the island, and then we put sobrasada and then some figs. The idea of the dish is to represent the island, and there is where we go. So basically what we have is a foie gras with a base of seixa, what is a coca that we do here, then we put some figs from the island as well. We cover. And then just to say where we are in the island, because we are located where is the green point, then we say like this here, what is eatable, and then you have the island in a plate. We'll introduce you the carpaccio of prawn of soya, what is our prawn that we have just here, and then we will serve with an oyster with avocado, what is from here, and then we use a lemon foam from our valley, what is very typical, and then a basil oil, and then we will start to plate it. First we start with the prawns. What we marinated is the red prawn from soya, and then we are topping with a little bit of caviar. Then we will follow with the avocado. Slightly burned. And we put some herbs. Flour, some hot rubber. And we have a prawn with the rice, with some seaweed, typical from here. We do an ingrissini, and then we'll go with the oyster. For the oyster, we do a coconut and passion fruit sauce. Then we go with the oyster. We top it with a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin caviar. Then we top with a little bit of basil oil as well. We put a bit. And we add some Maldon salt. And the ice cream. The ice cream is from fennel, and then we're topping a little bit for the oyster to go. And we finish with the lemon foam to give more acidity to the plate. Here you have the plate. Now we'll make an egg, typical egg poché. Then we will do with truffles, what is from the island. And then we'll have a foam of potato that we are getting from one agriculture, and then we will go through the place. Now we have the season of the mushrooms as well, so we will be using the mushrooms, right? So for having the plate, we'll put the egg. Poché, like onsen style. Then we'll put a little bit of foam that we do with potato. Different mushrooms. Then we will drop it with a bit of truffle. And then just we will put the smoke to give a little bit lightly smoke taste. Then here you have ready to serve. In these days we would like to show you what is our valley, the characteristics of our region. So the main products are lemon, almonds, olive oil, and of course all the fish. So here in these days what we are doing is a creme brulee, lemon brulee from soya. Then we have some gel of lemon, then some biscuit with almonds and some almond crisp things. Then what we are using is ice cream from lemon. So we will start to plate. Starting with burn the lemon brulee. Then we will add the almond with the sauce. And we'll put the cinnamon sticks. The lemon gel.